The G1 robot from the Chinese company Unitree continues to remain at the center of attention for all robotics enthusiasts. For an entire week, the company has been showcasing new abilities of the robot, demonstrating its incredible progress. In the latest video, the robot has mastered martial arts, specifically Kung Fu. This type of robot could be used, for example, as a personal bodyguard, which can be purchased for $16,000. As a bonus, you would also get an excellent dancer. As in a previous video, the company showcased its impressive dancing abilities. In the demonstration, the robot performed complex dance moves with remarkable smoothness and precision. Leave a comment. Would you like to own a metal master of Eastern martial arts? Japanese engineers from Kawasaki Heavy Industries have decided to show the world that the strongest robots today are made in Japan. Their humanoid robot named Kido demonstrated its physical capabilities at one of the latest exhibitions by performing a series of bodybuilding exercises. With a height of 170 centimeters and a weight of 100 kilograms, the robot can lift loads weighing up to 60 kilograms. Kido is designed for tasks requiring high physical strength and agility. It can carry heavy loads, perform exercises such as push-ups and pull-ups, and move across complex surfaces. Its design allows it to be used in environments hazardous to humans, such as maintaining high-rise structures or operating in disaster zones. In the video, the robot performs exercises with dumbbells, showcasing its strength and mobility. These demonstrations highlight the potential of Kido in carrying out tasks that require significant physical effort and its suitability for use in various industrial and service sectors. Chinese engineers continue to amaze the world. Recently, the Chinese company RZR Doll, which is specializing in the creation of ultra-realistic robotic women, introduced a new line of robots that promises a revolution in human-machine integration. This robot line is unique in that it is nearly indistinguishable from real people. They are made of high-quality silicone, providing a realistic skin texture. The robot's core consists of a metal frame that allows it to take various poses. Additionally, facial and body features have been meticulously designed for maximum realism. Thanks to integrated artificial intelligence, these robots can serve as excellent companions and conversation partners. The cost of such robots varies depending on the model, level of detail, and additional features. The average price ranges from $2,000 to $5,000. Here is another new Chinese development. A humanoid robot called PM01, introduced by Shenzhen Robotics Company. PM01 is designed for commercial and educational applications. It can perform complex movements thanks to a 320-degree waist rotation, allowing it to adapt to various tasks and scenarios. Its height is 1 meter 38 centimeters, and its weight is approximately 40 kilograms. The robot features both mechanical and anthropomorphic walking, ensuring natural movement. PM01 is equipped with an interactive screen inspired by the control interface from Iron Man, providing intuitive user interaction. It represents a significant step forward in humanoid robotics, combining advanced technology with an affordable price, making it an attractive solution for various industries and educational institutions. Not only the service industry is undergoing changes in Japan, Toyota has introduced a unique violin-playing robot capable of performing musical pieces with high precision and expressiveness. The violinist robot is equipped with 17 joints in its arms and fingers, providing it with human-like dexterity and allowing precise control over the bow and strings. It stands 152 centimeters tall and weighs 56 kilograms. The precise coordination of movements enables the robot not only to play notes correctly, but also to create vibrato, adding emotional depth to its performance. The technologies used in the violinist robot can be adapted to develop devices capable of performing complex manipulations with instruments and objects, significantly expanding automation possibilities in everyday life. Toyota already has a robot that can play the trumpet, so in the future, a full robotic orchestra may become a reality. Engineers from the Institute of Robotics and Artificial Intelligence in Zurich have created a prototype of a two-wheeled delivery robot based on a children's pedal-free bicycle. The Robo bike built on 12-inch wheels was named Ultra Mobility Vehicle. This high-tech smart iron horse is capable not only of moving on flat surfaces, but also of performing jumps. One of the key features of the robot is its ability to move in reverse while maintaining perfect balance. It is fully autonomous and controlled by an autopilot system. This technology could serve as the foundation for self-balancing motorcycles, which could be used in logistics, delivery services, as well as in research and extreme conditions. Additionally, the robot could be used as a platform for developing all-terrain robotic couriers and research bots capable of navigating challenging environments and overcoming obstacles with high precision. More and more companies are trying to enter the robotics market, and Lenovo is no exception. Recently, the company introduced a 6-legged robot dog called Daystar Bot GS. The robot is designed in the style of Spot by Boston Dynamics, but it has one distinguishing feature. Lenovo's development has 6 legs instead of 4. This provides greater stability and maneuverability for the machine. Daystar Bot is built to operate in challenging conditions. The robot boasts advanced control systems and sophisticated algorithms that allow it to navigate efficiently and recognize objects. Its front section is equipped with various sensors and cameras. On the robot's back, there is additional mounted equipment used for collecting environmental data. The robot is positioned as a solution for commerce, industry, search and rescue operations, and the public sector. Japan is actively integrating robots into the service industry, and one of the most notable examples is Gnocchi, a robot developed by Kawasaki Heavy Industries. This autonomous robot is designed for work in hotels and can perform tasks that previously required human involvement. Gnocchi stands 150 centimeters tall and weighs 75 kilograms. It moves on a 4-wheeled platform and is equipped with 2 arms, each with 3 fingers. Its neck can extend up to 190 centimeters, allowing it to interact with objects at different heights. Using built-in sensors and cameras, the robot can detect the position of door handles, knock on doors, open them, and deliver drinks or other items directly to guests' rooms. The primary goal behind Gnocchi's development is to address Japan's labor shortage, particularly in the service sector, where a declining workforce due to an aging population has created staffing challenges. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video you liked the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.